Hello, my dear viewers. This is Duke's Copy Webinars, and you are watching your favorite show, that is Forex Trading with Rakesh. I'm so sorry that I'm late today. I'm so sorry, guys. Uh, Please do not confuse me as an employee of Duke's Copy Bank. I am an independent analyst. And let me introduce myself for some time so that Benny, hello, welcome to the stream. I hope you're new here, Benny. Are you new? I'm looking at you first time here in my stream. Anyways, so what we are going to do is, guys, we are going to strictly discuss the price action and we'll ignore the fundamentals because we know that every piece of information is already priced into the chart, so we'll only focus ourselves on the charts. Yes, I am indeed. Thank you for joining us. Penny, where are you from, if you don't mind sharing? Okay, and what we are going to do in this program, guys, we are going to look at the candlestick charts to identify the key levels from all the pairs that we are going to see, and we will also look at the Brent, silver, gold, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all this stuff. Okay, so but we will focus ourselves mainly on the majors and the dollar index, so as to know what dollar index is performing like. I'm from England, Manchester. Very nice, very nice. I have never been to Manchester, never been to England, in fact. But anyways, welcome. Yeah, I just wanted to know the demography. We have viewers from Ghana, we have viewers from Switzerland, we have uh, viewers from, I think, UAE, and now you are saying that you are from England. That's nice. Different people from different countries. So if you're new to the technical analysis, please go through my other playlist which I have created. That is, they're very basic in nature because they just show you what are the profitable candlestick patterns and also some profitable chart patterns. If you go through them, you will know that how I trade patterns. And generally, I am very conservative type of trader. So whatever trade idea that I'm going to discuss here will be very conservative in nature. That means that I will be risking very less to gain a better reward, or I will say that reward to risk ratio is huge in my cases. But also I will tell you that everything that I say in this live stream is only to increase your knowledge. Okay, you should not take it as a trading advice, because if you incur any profit, that is your profit. If you incur any losses, that is your losses. So I will not have any say in that. So you do your research before you put your money on the line, and at the end of the session I will be taking the questions from the viewers, so please ask questions. Okay, I will do. Thank you. Is it on this channel? Yeah, it's on this channel. Yeah, it's on this channel. Okay, they're very basic. See, they're basic patterns, how to trade patterns, like that. Okay, there are two playlists. Okay, one is candlestick and one is patterns. All right, so guys, before I take you to the my charts, let me take you through the risk disclaimer, because there's a lot of risk associated with trading the foreign exchange. Please pause this video, understand it completely, and then hop onto the charts. The first chart that I am going to show you today, as usual, is the dollar index. Why do we see the dollar index? First of all, guys, why the dollar index? Why the dollar index? Why the dollar index? Why the dollar index? Why do we see the dollar index? First of all, I'm sorry about this. Oh, okay, so what is going on here? Let me show you closely. Well, I'm not sure whether you were here yesterday or not, so I have to tell you something, a brief history of this place. So from here, from 101.96, we were not short, but we were looking for a selling opportunity at this. So we got the selling opportunity at 101.63 area. Then we achieved all the targets on the downside, that is 101.06, 100.65. And today we opened almost at the rate of the close. Then we went lower than this low of yesterday. I'll show you on 4-hour. Then we went lower than the low of yesterday, and then we pushed higher. Okay, so in the process we have breached the 4-hourly structure. I mean, let me show you what was the 4-hourly structure. Before that, I have to just skip all this so that there is no more clutter here on the charts. Okay, so what is the 4-hourly structure? This is lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, higher high. So now we are anticipating a higher low and higher high. Okay, so this is what we are anticipating, but the problem here is that now you see that, okay, I will just write it down for you for just some time. Okay, 4-hour time frame trend is bearish. Okay, no, sorry, bullish. I will say bullish now. Why? I will tell you bullish, because just now we have broken the previous high. If we break previous high, it is a buy mode. If we break previous low, it is a sell mode. Okay, so we are on 4-hour time frame, we are bullish. Let me take you to the daily. On the daily, what was the okay, on the daily, what was the market structure? I'll just remove this market structure so that we are clear on that. What was the market structure on the daily? So let's take the polyline again. So here, this was the low, price made after making this high. After this low, the price made this high. So this was a lower low, lower high. So this was the market structure, like bearish market structure. Okay, and this market structure will remain bearish until and unless it breaks above 102.46. So I will say that the market structure is bearish on daily. Okay, so if I say you control C, okay, clone, edit level, if I say 1-day time frame trend is bearish. So if the trend is bearish on the daily and the trend is bullish on the 4-hour, what we should do? The question is, what are we supposed to do? The answer is simple. We wait for the smaller term time frame to get aligned with the bigger time frame trend. Okay, now the daily time frame is down, so we wait for the 4-hour time frame to turn bearish. How we can make sure that the 4-hour time frame is bearish? So we wait for the market structure on the 4-hourly to break in the direction of the trend. So what we can now expect here? This is most of the time the things happening. Okay, this is most of the time something happens. So we wait for something like this. Boom. Now this is what? This is a lower low than this lower low, this higher low. So when the price makes lower low, it is a break of the trend. So that means the price will enter sell mode. So the daily trend is already bearish. The price enters with the what problems with streaming, bro? What happened? MJ? Problems with streaming? Earlier, yeah, earlier I had a problem. Like I was not in the right place. I was out. So I requested the team to delay the stream for half an hour. I'm sorry, MJ. I know that we have time. We have a schedule like 16:30 GMT every day, but I'm sorry, because of some unavoidable reason I could not stream at the right time. Please forgive me today. That won't happen to again. I'll try to keep it to 16:30 GMT every day. All right, so the point here is that we are expecting something like this in the US dollar. Now we are expecting the US dollar to turn bearish again. Okay, guys. So expect some bearish price action at 101.63 and wait for something like this channel to develop and then break to the downside. That's it. Guys, I'm going to cover it quickly because really I have to go very fast. I have to go somewhere again. Okay, and on the similar lines, if you see, euro is trying to rise here, and now this candle, it has made a high at around 1.10758, and yesterday the high was 1.1075. So it has just point seven, I would say, pips. It was higher than the previous day, not the pips but pipettes. Okay, and so this candle qualifies as the bearish engulfing, and that too at the support. Now problem is, something bearish, it should be at the resistance, it should not be at the support. I will explain this thing again to you on the USD ZAR chart, but right now you look at this, that the price has come down, but it has come down only to the level where it should find support. So 1.10976 is an area where we are looking for the what has improved and what has not improved. Is there any problem? I think you have set your settings quality. It should not be auto for you, MJ. You should select some settings so that you have a clear picture. Okay, select it 720 or 480 or more. All right, guys, 1.0976 is the support area, and on the higher side you have resistance at 1.1184. So expect this 1.1184 to be seen soon. Now the problem is that if you see the price lower than 1.0831, then only you should be looking for any selling opportunity. Okay, it means that even if the price goes to breaks this channel and goes below, even then you should be looking for a buy entry up to 1.0831 area. Okay, so 1.0831 on the lower side, and before that 1.0976 on the lower side, they are the supports. On the high side we have resistance at 1.1184. Pound is even breaking lower, but still market structure is bullish. Yes, the price has I think the price is making some headroom. The RSI is making some headroom to go further higher. At least on the daily I can see hidden bullish divergence already. I think on 4 hour there will be more. Okay, no, there is no more. So here you see that there is already bullish divergence here, guys. How can I say that there is a bullish divergence? Because see, this low here was lower than these lows. Okay, this is the low 1.2398, and here this was 1.23988. 1.2398. So this low was lower than this low that the price has made. That means the price has failed to make a fresh low, whereas the RSI has made a fresh low. So this is called hidden bullish divergence. I cannot explain you what hidden bullish divergence is. You can find out that on Google. But right now it looks like the price, if it closes green today, sorry, not today, but this 4 hourly candle, if it closes green, then there is a possibility that the price will keep rising. Okay, but if this candle doesn't close green, then there is a possibility that the price will go to 1.2344 area, guys. So for pound, we have support at 1.2344 on the downside, and we have resistance at 1.2666 area. Australian dollar, right now it is going down, but it has already breached the high today, and breaching is sufficient to give us a hint that it is going to go higher now. Now on the similar lines, I have not drawn my RSI here, but I think if I draw my RSI, you will see that there is also yeah, see. So this was the low that the price has created. Look at what is the RSI here. At this low, the RSI value was 56.94, and the RSI value at this 4 hourly candle is like 47. So RSI is making more headroom to go higher, but we need a green candle for bullish price action and a red candle for the bearish price action. Now this will be a hidden bullish divergence only if the candle closes green. Now there are 3 hours and 42 minutes for this candle to close, so we cannot be sure till then. If it closes just a small green candle, then also it will qualify as a hidden bullish divergence, and the price can go back to 0.6792 area. But if it fails and the price drops below 0.6675, then it will turn bearish, and we can see 0.6618. So the important levels for the Australian dollar right now are 0.6675 on the downside, 0.6792 area on the upside. New Zealand dollar, yesterday I said that stay away from Kiwi because of this reason. Now those who are looking to say buy at this green, I told you that this green candle may be just something which is okay, I forgot the wording that I had used, but my idea to tell you was that do not buy this market because it has just breached below the previous low. Now when the price breaches below the previous low, that means this market is looking for a lower high now. So this market is looking for a lower high, and I think it has already made that lower high. Expect the price to go to 0.6083 soon in the New Zealand dollar, but do not sell right now because right now the price is trading at the support. If the price breaks below this swing low, I will say this is a swing low. You can actually bring this one here. So 0.6181, if the price goes below that, I think that should be our area of opportunity to go short in this market, guys. All right, guys, so let us see how the things unfold in the New Zealand dollar. And about USD JPY, I am bullish on this one because the price is making higher highs, higher lows on the daily. We are expecting a higher high, but 135.11 is the area which we are expecting to be achieved in this market, because the price is already moving in a nice channel, and this is an area where you can find some resistance on 20th of April. Okay, this area here. Right now the price is going good. US dollar is falling, but still US JPY is rising. That means the yen is very weak as compared to the US dollar. So expect 135.11 on the higher side. Right now the price is trading at 133.75, which is a good resistance also. So if the price breaks this one and closes a day higher than this, then 135.11 is possible. On the lower side, we can expect the price to actually, now again, if the price, no, the price starts going lower, then 132.01 is the fresh support that the price has already not established, but the price will establish this support once the price moves higher than this previous high. Okay, so this is the resistance now. 134.04 is the resistance, 132.01 is the support, guys. That's all. USD CAD, we are looking for the lower lows, but right now I think it should be rising, because the, okay, yeah, so it is rising right now, and on the 4-hour and actually on the daily also it must be rising. This is because the Brent has reduced $3 from its gains. So yes, 1.3405 is the level which we are looking for as a short entry. We have discussed this yesterday. MGA, if you are there with me on the stream, MGA, are you there? Why there is no like on the stream? There is no like on my stream. Okay, good. That means nobody likes the stream anymore. All right, all right. So guys, the point here is that if the price goes to 1.3405, you do not short it blindly. Okay, expect something to happen there. That means a bearish price action, at least on the 1-hour or maybe on the 4-hour. Something should happen. Do not sell this market blindly, or otherwise what you can do is you can draw this channel like structure. All right, and then expect something to happen here. Okay, it makes some sense, because we have like multiple resistances here, and when the price rejects at that multiple resistance, we can expect 1.3261 in this market. That's all, guys. On the higher side, we have a resistance at 1.3405. On the lower side, we have a support at 1.3261 area. USD CHF, we are looking for the lower prices, but today the price has come back to test this falling channels support area as the fresh resistance. I'll show you on the 4-hour. All right, guys, see, the market has entered the zone of resistance. Okay, this zone of resistance may be strong enough to push the prices back towards 0.8757 area, guys. Be sure that you see that some valid price action for the bearish price action is there before you enter the sell trades. Okay, all right, on the higher side we have resistance at 9070 area. On the lower side we have support at 0.8926, but we are expecting price to reach at 0.8757, looking at the price action earlier. And also on the daily, the price has been below 38 on RSI, and still it is below 38, so expect the price to keep going down. Silver, we are bullish on the silver, but today there is a bearish engulfing candle right close to the resistance and very close to the support also. Now we were long from 25.22 area, but also we failed to close the profits because the price failed to test 826.16, which was my target. Somebody was claiming in the chat that price is going to 26.30, but yes, it has stopped before that. It doesn't mean that it is going south now, because the price is taking support at the previous resistance levels. Okay, so expect some consolidation before a big move to the upside. We have kept a stop loss below 24.55 because we know that once that price breaks, we will enter a sell mode in the silver. Okay, so 24.55 is the support, 26.21 is the resistance. Gold is not looking great. Gold is not looking great. In fact, it has broken below the 4-hourly low. That means on the 4-hour it has entered a sell mode. And on the daily, let me check on the daily. Okay, it will enter a sell mode on the daily once it breaks below 1981. Okay, if the price breaks below 1981, then it will enter a sell mode. Okay, on the highest, that means this is a support. On the high side we have resistance at 2070. There's no much development on the gold, so one can stay away from this one, or if you want to look for a buying opportunity, I think 1981 should be your area of opportunity. Brent, like I was saying, that Brent has dropped some pips. It has gone below. All right, you see there, it has made a high here. Let me show you on the daily. And yesterday it broke lower again, then tried to trade in this range where from where it has broken out, and now it is trading almost at the open of the day. So what I am expecting, 86.91 to act as a resistance, and whenever the price breaks or enters this range, this rectangle, it should act as a support. This is what my intention is, and this is what my analysis is. Expects the price to churn here for some time before breakout or breakdown further. USDZAR. Why did I tell you about USDZAR? Okay, somebody, if he sees these 2 or 3 candles, he will say, oh, this is a doomsday, now I should be looking for all the selling opportunities in the world and go short in the USD. No, this is not how it works. Okay, you have to know that on the daily your market is up, your market is daily market structure is up. I told you yesterday, while you were looking at this red candle, I said market structure is up, expect anytime expect the green candle to form, and this is what happens. Because on the 4-hour, you see, we joined these 2 lows, we extended it further, and this is how it happens. Somebody at this area is trying to buy this market, okay, at the lower level. That means he knows that this market is going to break the previous highs. So what was the previous high? Previous high was 18.716. so expect that to break. But right now the price has immediate resistance at around 18.1232, which it has failed to cross and close above. Once it closes above that 18.1232, one can buy this market with the target of 18.5348 and 18.71652. I hope that makes some sense to you guys. Bitcoin is holding good at the higher levels. 30,244 is where it is trading right now. It has made an intraday high around 30,995. I will say it was just $5 less than 31,000. So yeah, it is a huge thing for the Bitcoin. Slowly and steadily it is inching towards 32,417, where I am expecting some resistance and sell off from the players in the market. Okay, so resistance 32,417, support 29,139 for this market. That's all guys for the Bitcoin. Nothing specific, but yes, if the price goes towards 29,139, expect a huge buying, and if the price goes back to 32,417, expect a huge sell off. That is the resistance. Euro is all good, slowly and steadily. This is the C, 8th candle in a row. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, 8th candle in a row which is ending green. It is good for the euro against the Japanese yen. 148.39 is what we are expecting as the target. On the low side, I think 146.72 should act as a support if the price drops to this side. That's all for the Euro JPY. Euro GBP is also going good, all the way up. Now this can be actually okay. I have actually missed it, so I did not want to cover it, but I will tell you where I missed it. Okay, the price was making lower highs, lower lows here. Okay, then after making this low, the price made a high here, and then here this was again a lower high than this one, and this was a lower low. Now after making this lower low, guys, actually I'll show you what was the problem here. I'll show you something. You see, after making this, So this was the lowest low. You can see after making this high, you can say, or maybe this high, whatever. If you take either of these two, actually you switch to 4 hour and you will know. So you see, after making this low here, the price made this high here, and then it made this low here, right? So the market structure was bearish, but after making this low, the price made this high, which has abolished these both of the highs. That means on the 4 hour at least this was done. Now if I switch to say 1 day, then you will see that on the daily also it has been done. So yeah, on the daily it was like this. So even the daily structure is broken, and I failed to notice here that the daily structure is broken, and now we are looking for the higher low to be formed, and this is where the higher low formed, and there was buying thereafter. I failed to notice this, guys. So that's why I kept on saying, okay, look for a selling opportunity, look for a selling opportunity, look for a selling. But I failed here, and I should have told you, look for a buying opportunity, look for a buying opportunity, look for a buying opportunity. But I said, look for a selling opportunity. But now I have realized that I have missed here something. Please notice it. It was very actually complicated market. You can see it was very small area to find out that yes, this market has broken the market structure. All right. Actually, today I studied this Euro GBP. That's why now I have come to know. I'm sorry, guys, about this one. In fact, we were not trading in this market for 1 month. So there's no problem. I did not say you to do anything in this market, so just stay away. Okay, now we should be looking for buying opportunities more, because now there's a clear market structure to the upside. USA 500, we are looking for 4195 in this market, but today the market has got a resistance at 4150 once again. Now this is the third time that the market has rejected 4150, so expect some deeper correction like 4083 or maybe even 4069. All right, when there is a breakout to the upside and then there's a bearish candlestick, that means there's a possibility that the price will keep going down. Okay, 4083 is the support, because this was the low that the price had made before making this high. So let's see how the things unfold here in the future. 4083 the support, 4069 is the second support. On the higher side, now we have resistance at 4162 in this market, and also we are expecting 4195 on the higher side if we take support here and push further up. Euro AUD. Okay, Euro AUD, we are doing good as of now. We are short actually in this market, and we are expecting 1.6435 to act as a very good resistance, and that is happening as of now. That is happening. There's nothing much development on the Euro AUD, so just stay focused how the things unfold. We will see 1.6435 resistance, 1.6299 support. In fact, the support has gone deeper towards 1.6263 now. Keep updating your charts as they develop. Okay, Ethereum, I'm very bullish now because it has broken higher than the channel that I was talking about, and also the horizontal level that I was talking about. And see how precisely it is trading with my this thing. Okay, so yeah, price may go towards 2028 where it can find support and then rise further. Let us see how the things unfold. But now I am very bullish on the Bitcoin, and we have already given the prediction that Ethereum is going to moon. Now when I say moon, that means minimum 2800 levels, not 2800 levels, what 3500 37 level is the minimum that we are expecting in the Ethereum in the coming days, provided this 2028 support holds. CAD JPY is going north very nicely. 100.87 is what we are expecting. That is exactly 100 points from here. Okay, on the downside 99.54 may act as a very good support for the price. Nothing much, only these two levels are worth watching now. USA Tech. Okay, USA Tech. I think USA Tech has stuck in a range now because it has broken higher than this falling channel. It has broken lower than this rising channel, so it has stuck in within a range. 12,842 is the lower point of the range on the 4 hourly, and 12,515 is the range or the lower part of the range on the daily chart. But on the higher side, we have 13,224 as a common resistance for both. So let us see how the things unfold in this one also. But these are the levels to keep an eye on, as I have shared with you. And this is my duty. This is the webinar for. We have this webinar to tell you what are the key levels from where the markets can reverse, what is the market structure, or what is the current bias, so that you can plan your trades. My point is that never risk more than 1% of your capital on any single trade, and look for a potential profit of 3 times the risk that you are going to take. Okay, this keeps you this helps you in having an advantage over the longer period of time when you trade. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask that in the chat. I'll be very happy to answer those questions. And as I know that there will be no more questions, I hope that Benny, you have enjoyed it. We had less time today, we had only 30 minutes, but generally we have 1 hour because we start 16:30 GMT. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and switch on the notifications bell so that you have a notification in your inbox whenever I come live. If you find this video useful for you, please smash that like button, and you can leave your suggestions in the comment section after this video is produced. And I wish you and your family a very happy and good weekend. Thank you very much for joining me. See you on Monday 16:30 GMT. That is every time we are here. Okay, bye bye, take care, see you.